Alright, let's use this broken piece of wood as a canvas, and we're going to draw the water in the bottom, just putting the few strokes. Okay, alright. And you can see a boat which is with the red color. Alright. A boatman at the bottom, just sitting. Alright. And you can see the sail on the top. So it's going to be a very simple and easy, nice scenery. Just clouds in the sky defining. If you just want to put the rains, just draw the symbols of the rains here. And put the little bit reflections on the water with the red color again. And little bit red on the clouds too. Okay, so the drawing is complete. Very simple, easy and nice drawing. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.